Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the committee and participant Ikonis. Let me introduce myself. My name is Citra Wiguna from Telkom Institute of Technology Purwokerto. My research interests are IT Master Plan, Technology Acceptance, and Evaluation Performance System. I'm here with my partner. This is Dwi Mustika, and then Cecilia Tia Savitri, and Intan Yulita Wibowo. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Dwi Mustika Kusumawardani. I'm a lecturer from Telkom Institute of Technology Purwokerto, and my home base is on the Bachelor Information System. My research interests are IT Master Plan, Smart City, Business Analyst, and Supply Chain Management. Thank you.
My name is Cecilia Tia Savitri. I'm from Telkom Institute of Technology Purwokerto. My home base on Information System. And my research interests are business intelligence, enterprise architecture, and geographic information system.
Hello, my name is Intan Yulita Wibowo. I'm a college student of Telkom Institute of Technology Purwokerto, and my home base is on the Bachelor Information System.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tika, Miss Cecil, and Miss Intan for introduction yourself. Well, we will explain our research straight away. The title of our research is Boarding KAI Access Summative Usability Analysis with Adoption of the Use Questionnaire. We would like to explain our research. There are three outlines that we will discuss. Firstly, the introduction. Secondly, the research procedure. And lastly, research result. Firstly, the introduction. Kereta Api Indonesia is a state-owned enterprise in the field of land transportation in the form of rail transportation. KAI has a long history ranging from a jawatan kereta api until to become a limited liability company of PT Kereta Api Persero. The name change occurred again in 2011 to become PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero, or commonly called PT KAI. PT KAI is required to be the best railway service provider with a focus on customer service and meeting the expectation of stakeholders. PT KAI itself has 5 main values, namely integrity, professional, safety, innovation, and excellent service. If you look at these 5 values, PT KAI strives to develop innovation every year. In 2014, PT KAI launched KAI Access App, which is an official mobile application to make it easier for prospective passengers to get information and book train ticket online. According to the President Director of PT KAI, KAI provides innovation that is inseparable from the need of the community in 5 years. The latest innovation in the ticketing system from PT KAI raised the theme all public administration to the new public service. According to the Board of Director number 15 about service improvement and boarding at the station, although its requirement to create one public service in ticketing service. However, according to the DN Fitriana in 2014, the problem occurred after the implementation of the innovation in several DAO. Based on the result questionnaire, 1. If the internet network is interrupted, then a boarding cannot be accessed or undetected, thus unable to check in. 2. Passengers prefer to print manually and reluctant to use boarding pass. Based on this problem, researchers conducted usability testing to measure the level of quality when a potential passenger as a user is dealing with the user interface system. The higher the usability level of the system, the longer the lifespan of system. The use of summative usability is appropriately used in this study because summative usability is assessed from user satisfaction toward existing application. Why we use the use questionnaire because we will target to usability of functional system based on user satisfaction. The objective of the study is to produce KAI Access e-boarding summative analysis by measuring the level of conformity between functional system and corporate focus. Benefit of the study are implement the use questionnaire as a parameter in analyzing the usability of KAI Access e-boarding and provide an overview the suitability of the KAI Access system for HDAO.
This research was conducted by identifying the problem of measuring the usability of KAI Access e-boarding page based on the use questionnaire. Furthermore, data needs analysis is done by determining the criteria for measuring the usability of KAI Access e-boarding pages. The criteria in this study consists of 4 criteria, namely usefulness, ease of use, ease of learning, and satisfaction. Determine the population of the study and determine the sample use. This study used 2 data dissemination techniques, namely online and directly at train station from DAOP 1 to DAOP 9. After determining the criteria, population, and sample for this study, the next stage of reliability testing was conducted using Cronbach Alpha. The result of the test saw a high level of reliability because the criteria coefficient value is more than 0.6, so it can be said the result for each DAOP in this study is reliable. The last summative usability result analysis is generating the use questionnaire analysis of KAI Access e-boarding page. Based on the result obtained from summative usability analysis can be drawn conclusion in the form of usability measurement conducted in this study using 4 criteria. The 4 criteria are obtained from 9 DAOP KAI in Indonesia. The result is the usefulness criterion is 80.9%, the ease of use criterion is 77.7%, the ease of learning criterion is 80.4%, and the satisfaction criterion is 79.4%. In addition, the usability rate indicates a value of 79.6% or equivalent to a high value.
Okay, I will present our research conclusion. We have 3 conclusions. The first conclusion is reliability testing produced a reliability value of 0.982, which means the reliability of the instrument is good and trustworthy. The second conclusion, as the results show, usability rate shows a value 79.6% or equivalent to a high value. The third conclusion, KAI Access e-boarding past features are visible and meet the needs of the user. The improvement to KAI Access boarding. First, the system becomes faster in response. The second, there are still some bugs in the system, so we need an audit of the system because the usability system already meets the standard. And the last improvement, conducting research to find solution to analyze ease of use values.
Okay, this is our presentation. We open joint opportunity in the file of usability and then in the file of technology acceptance. Stay healthy and
Thank you.